week I'm testing the Mercedes GLB. It's a compact 7-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Mercedes GLB there are ISOFix in the two outer second row seats, and there's ISOFix in both of the rear seats as well. There's top tether anchorages in the back of all 5 rear seat backs, which is fantastic. Now, I was able to get 5 child seats in the back here. It is a squeeze across this second row, and you have to be careful which ones you decide to put in the third row because accessing through this space is quite difficult. However, you can fit 5 in. Legroom is a bit of a compromise, so found with forward-facing child seats in the third row and a rear-facing in the second row, we could only just get a 160cm driver in front, but we could get a 180cm passenger in the front passenger seat, which is great. In the back of the Mercedes GLB, storage is quite good. In the third row, there are 2 cup holders in between the 2 seats. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are elastic bands on the sidewalls to hold an iPad, and there's little phone wells with USBs too. In the second row, there are 2 cup holders that fold out of the central seat to fold down. Now, they will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, however they are quite flimsy and difficult for kids to use. There are mat pockets in the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins in the back here are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and in the back of the central console box there's a little storage area for a phone and charging points. In the front of the GLB, storage is quite good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Underneath the covered area there is a cordless phone charging area for your phone. The central console box is quite a good size in here, and there's charging points in there too. The glove box would hold my iPad but not my wallet in there with the manual as well. The door bins are a good size in the front here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. The boot door of the GLB opens and closes silently and electronically, which is great. Let's find out how much we can fit in this boot. When using 5 seats, it will hold 15 shopping bags, or the twin side-by-side stroller and 4 shopping bags, a tandem stroller and 8 shopping bags, single stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a large dog. When using all 7 seats, 3 shopping bags will fit in the boot. Now, the Mercedes GLB is a really nice car to drive. The engine noise is louder than I'd expect from a luxury brand like this, and I find the lane departure warning, especially for that central line of the road, really quite violent and disturbing, especially when you're driving on country roads. You don't want to be too near the edge, and it will brake quite violently when it thinks that you're too near the central line. The windows are nice and big in here, which makes visibility and brightness inside really good, and it's just a pleasant car to drive and quite spacious too. The media system in the GLB is quite complex, and it's a lot to get used to in just a week, to be honest. There are some great features I love in here. One is comfort mode, so you can change your seat comfort and the ambient lighting in here, and you can control everything in this screen, either using the trackpad down in the central console or with the controls on the steering wheel, which I absolutely love. Now, the other thing I've enjoyed this week is, hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn off the ambient lighting.
I'm turning off the ambient light.
Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn on the ambient lighting.
I'm turning on the ambient light.
So you can control most things in the car just through talking to Hey Mercedes, which is really cool and really practical while you're driving along. Now, there is CarPlay in here as well, which is fantastic. And when you put it into reverse, the camera image is really beautiful and clear. And you've got different views, 360 views down the side here, and you can mute the parking sensors with the button here. So to sum up with the Mercedes GLB, it is a lovely car to drive. The media system is good. It can take 5 child seats, although more practically it's 4 child seats with access through to that third row. And boot space is good too if you're only using that second row seats. the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.